This is the Honda S Plus shift system, a feature designed to deepen the connection between you and the Prelude by amplifying the drive mode you're already in. S Plus doesn't override your current drive mode. Instead, it enhances it, amplifying the car's response, feel, and personality based on your selected mode. And when S Plus is engaged, the digital cluster transforms. The power gauge switches to a tachometer with a simulated gear indicator, adding a visual cue to match the elevated performance feel. The deceleration selectors become simulated shift paddles, giving you the sensation of shifting gears with a pull of the paddle. The right paddle simulates upshifts, while the left paddle mimics rev-matched downshifts, and the shifts feel real, whether you're shifting yourself or letting the selected drive mode do it for you. In comfort, S Plus dials up the smoothness. Steering assist increases, suspension softens. Torque comes on strong at low RPMs for effortless, quiet acceleration. It's the ultimate relaxed drive. GT is all about balance, and S Plus builds on that. Response and feedback get more immediate. It's great for long-distance drives where you still want that connected, confident feel. Sport mode is where S Plus goes all in. Throttle response tightens, steering firms up, suspension stiffens, engine sound intensifies, and you'll feel simulated shift points and hear rev-matched downshifts like a performance car with a semi-automatic gearbox. And if you're in individual mode, S Plus amplifies whatever setup you've personalized, making your custom Prelude feel even more tailored to you. From laid-back cruising to full-on spirited driving, S Plus Shift lets you unlock another layer of enhancement without changing modes. It's like a performance boost tailored to your style. Prelude with S Plus becomes more custom-tuned to how you drive, more responsive, more connected, more you. This is precision performance, elevated by instinct.